Rosemary oil for hair growth. Oh, you bet. This is one of those hidden gems you find at the back of grandma's cabinet. You might think of it as seasoning for Sunday roast, um, but hang on, there's more. Why rosemary oil? It's got these nifty little chemicals called ursolic acid and caffeic acid. If you're suffering from thinning hair, these compounds dive right in and bolster scalp health, which supports hair growth. It's like a nutrient-packed green smoothie for your hair. And most people face the dilemma of toxins and chemicals in hair products. Rosemary oil, pure and natural. No harsh chemicals, no perturbing toxins. Just dip a tiny bit of oil into your scalp. Massage gently, and you're in for healthier hair. Hair fall or dandruff got you down. Many of us have felt this plight. The antimicrobial properties in rosemary oil can help combat this craziness. Over time, your hair says thanks by offering less dandruff and breakage. Now, let's talk application technique. First, ensure your scalp is dry. Then mix rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. Target areas of concern, dab on your scalp, and massage for 2 minutes. Repeat bi-weekly. You might ask time commitment. Think 10 minutes twice a week. Consistency is key. Most folks will see noticeable benefits within 4 to 6 weeks. Imagine a quarterly result being softer, shinier locks. That's only around 2 Netflix episodes worth of time. And some experience discomfort with oils. Pro tip, start with a patch test. Test on your inner wrist or forearm. If no irritation after 24 hours, you're good to go. Safety first, always. If you've ever sat in your bathroom juggling a multitude of hair products, know that rosemary oil can simplify your routine. One bottle, tons of uses. Think of this as consolidating shampoo, conditioner, and treatments into one. And the hair growth can be painfully slow. We're talking half an inch per month on average. Incorporating rosemary oil can potentially speed up this rate by stimulating circulation in the scalp. A win-win that rewards your patience. Ever wonder which hair types benefit most? Great news. Rosemary oil is a friend to all. Curly, straight, wavy, kinky. Its balancing properties make it versatile across different textures, adding luster and improving texture over time. Avoiding harsh treatments is smart. Rosemary oil aids repair for those fried locks. So often caused by heat styling or color treatments. It's like applying a soothing balm, returning life to tired, brittle hair. I'm Scott from Portland, so if you've never explored natural remedies, I can't recommend rosemary oil enough. And sometimes the best solutions are the simplest, and your hair deserves this natural TLC.